Okay, we've got a W202 2000 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. It's got the original Mercedes-Benz radio in it, which doesn't work off those cheap eBay Bluetooth connectors. I went and saw the Gizmo guys a Bluetooth connector which works on all European cars, and it definitely works on our one. Very easy to connect. We've got an Android and a Apple phone, and it connects on both of them, works very well on both. The sound is as good as anything through the radios. We're very happy with it. You want to turn on the Bluetooth?
Well, it's on at the moment.
That obviously is the fact that Churchill didn't go to Dundee very much. He would go once or
so
twice.
That's playing there now. The sound is quite good.
But generally speaking,
we really like it. The only issue that we've got, if there is an issue, is the connector that plugs into the cigarette lighter. This one down here, it hasn't got a access ports to charge your mobile phone, like USB ports to charge your mobile phone. So we've gone and got a 3-port connector, so we can charge the mobile phones up the top as well. But besides that, it's very good. We're very happy with it. Thank you.